Hello and welcome back to Swing Trading Masterclass Buying Wealthy Education. In this video, we're going to take a look at something called double tops and double bottoms. They are exactly like you would think they would be. A double top is just simply where the market has rallied twice to roughly the same point. Doesn't have to be to the exact penny, but quite often you will see, within a few ticks or so, where the market tries to rally, it fails, it pulls back, it tries to get above there again, and then it fails. Well, what does this tell you? This tells you there are sellers up here, and the double top, which of course is a reversal, or at least a potential reversal signal. Most of the time, what people want to see is a break of the bottom of this pattern, which sometimes is referred to as an M pattern for obvious reasons. There's also the W pattern or the double bottom. Same thing, just upside down. So if you can break above there, that is typically a completed reversal signal, and the market should go in the other direction. So with that in mind, let's take a look at some examples. I've got three charts. I've got the Litecoin chart. And you can see very clearly that there was a double top here. And once we broke down through this middle part of the M pattern, the market took off to the downside. Pretty straightforward. Euro, yen. Okay, so we have a couple of different examples here, really. You can make an argument for a little bit of a double top here. We broke through there, went right down to the next support level, made another double top or even triple top, which is just the same thing, but 3 times, and broke down again. We also did make a double bottom, although you didn't get the confirmation signal. Some people don't wait, but that's why more, shall we say, conservative traders will wait for that confirmation. And here in Citigroup, you can see that we had on the daily chart a couple of lows right here at support. Broke the top of that W pattern and then took off and ended up being a nice rally. Pretty straightforward, very easy pattern to see. Everybody else sees it, and that's really what you want. You want patterns that are easy to see. You don't want obscure patterns necessarily. It just shows that the market runs out of effort trying to break through support in the case of a double bottom or resistance in the case of a double top.